कोई नहीं बता दीजिए मैक्सिमम
त्याला जाऊ दे ना, 1-2 दिवस जातो तो पद्धतीने किती तारखेला देतो.
What do you feel? How it is important to beautify yourself as an individual? What do you recommend?
I would say beauty should be with everyone, not just women itself. Myself, I would love to look gorgeous every day. Especially when I wake up in the morning, like most women or men would love to see themselves looking perfect. And our aim at Sylph Cable Sigma is to get that across to as many people as possible. Because we believe that being in India, it's for us it's a very important thing because our roots are here. But when I look at women around me, they are so beautiful, but they hide behind so many things that I feel that it's a shame to do that. But with this kind of a treatment, I would say, which is Pure Wave, it enhances your skin. We work with your muscles, we work with your nervous system, where the beauty comes within, which I find it's very, very important. That instead of lapping on your face once a month, a lot of creams, a lot of packs and all that kind of thing, which only lasts you 3 days, whereas Pure Wave will last you a month. And every day you can get up and look beautiful. We target at a lot of pigmentation areas, we target a lot of wrinkles, we target like dark circles, laugh lines that we get as we're getting older. But with all these kind of things, it's purely a 20-minute treatment.
Do you think it's a happy and pride moment during Juhi Chawla coming to inaugurate Single Manifest?
Juhi Chawla is a very special person in our life. I mean, she's one of those candidates that we have chosen and felt very comfortable with. Her beauty itself speaks for it, basically, and she enjoys taking Pure Wave from us, She likes it, she feels the difference, and that's the important thing about any candidate, to talk from heart about the product, So, yeah, Juhi was a perfect candidate for us.
And during the beauty business, so in the last decade, how do you feel that how many people are aware of the beautification of themselves as such? How far has the beauty business grown as such?
Beauty business now has grown vast throughout the world, you'll find, in India, you find that people are getting more conscious about everything. It's not a special occasion thing, whether it's men or women. Children, you'll find also going to beauty parlors and looking really great and having their hair done and, their looks and all that. And with this, we're very happy to say that it helps you very, very naturally. You can look your best at any given time, So that is one of the bestest thing about this treatment.
And asking about today's event, is there opening up only one store as such, or there is
No, altogether we have got 5 stores, 4 opening today. 1 already opened up last year, August. So we are very happy about it, and hopefully this trend should go on, because I want to reach out to as many people as possible with this thing.
Better than before, you're right. Better than what they had done. Yeah. But then I think I also come right here. I want you to Om Shri Ganpate Namaha. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. All the best, many congratulations, and may it all go beautiful. Arey, special riddance, you know. No, the Siza seems to be too special. ये क्या हो गया? अभी कर ही डालेंगे. कैसे तो कर ही डालेंगे.
काम खराब हो गया.
Okay, he's coming. Yes. All right, so this is what you've been stressing over, and is it now to your liking? Yeah.
Just need some homey touch now, that's it.
Yeah, no, it always happens that you look at every dot and every dash, which people will not really notice. But yeah, it's kind of very neatly done. First room is managed.